The future of security is here. With drones and robotics, businesses and governments can secure their assets faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. Traditional security measures are no longer enough. Drones and robotics provide unmatched surveillance capabilities, monitoring security fences, borders, and high-risk areas with precision, speed, and efficiency. From banking institutions to national security operations, drones and robotics enhance situational awareness, cut costs, and improve response times. Whether securing sensitive infrastructure or assisting first responders, these technologies are revolutionizing protection. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, infrared imaging, and AI-driven threat detection, drones and robotics can identify and neutralize threats before they escalate. But even the most advanced robotic systems must be secured from cyber threats. Trojan Horse Security specializes in drone and robotics penetration testing, ensuring that these systems are protected from hackers and cyber criminals who seek to exploit vulnerabilities. Trojan Horse Security is the leading provider of industry-specific cybersecurity solutions, including drone and robotics security penetration testing, cybersecurity audits and compliance, vulnerability and risk assessments, web application, security and code reviews, penetration testing and security assessment, risk assessment, aerial risk assessment when flying drones for commercial security purposes, regulation, secure and clean backup, fast restore capabilities plan, and to prevent attack. Segmented networks to ensure that if infected, one can cut off a segment to keep the rest of the network, drone or robotic technology clean and protected. Quick patching through a vulnerability drone, robotics management security program plan, updated quality antivirus, drone and robotics security plan, drone and robotics management and operation, security system design and implementation, security requirements analysis, security architecture and engineering, wireless security, mobile device management, security testing and compliance verification, intrusion detection, incident response, vulnerability analysis. Our experts have the experience, knowledge, and cutting-edge tools to prevent cyber attacks and stop criminals before they take control of your systems. The future of security is here. Are you ready? Contact Trojan Horse Security today to secure your assets and stay ahead of the threats. Visit or call 202-507-5773. Trojan Horse Security. Defend, protect, prevail. We serve all industries and sizes of companies. Whether you are a Fortune 500 or an SME, our IT security consultants have you covered.